Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, for another episode of Gizmo Guru. Today, we will be taking a look at the Hand Grip Exerciser Strengthener 5-piece set, and this will be a full review on it. I'll go over the things that are included, the value, and at the very end, if I think it's a good buy. So without further ado, let's review it. So, in front of us is the 5-piece set, and as you can see, they also included this really nice bag you can put everything in, and there's also 5 accessories. Now, the reason I decided to review this, I actually bought this for work so that when I sit at my desk, I can exercise my hands and be a little mobile while sitting down. So, the main reason I bought it was for this guy right here. Now, this is a little hand exerciser right here, and I'll turn it over. So there is actually a dial on it, so I didn't know this when I bought it, so you can go anywhere from 5 kilograms to 60 kilograms. Not sure why they have it in metric if they're selling it in the US, so that was a little odd, but nonetheless, this thing works great. So this is by far my favorite tool that came with this thing. You can adjust it for more or less resistance. And then you also have this guy right here. So a lot of little cool accessories in here. So you can exercise your hand or your individual fingers and get some motion flowing there. So those are kind of the two big reasons I bought it, were for these two right here. These were added bonuses. I just really wanted these two, but then I got these extra ones, and this is a little interesting looking one right here. So this one's to kind of squeeze in your hand and kind of get some blood flowing, and then I guess you can kind of squeeze this guy as well. So great little accessories. Put that there so it doesn't roll away. And then this one I thought was really interesting. You can like stick your fingers in it and kind of move outward to, whoops, get all my fingers in there. Get some exercise going there. So all in all, so when I bought this, I paid about like $8 on Amazon, and which I thought was a great value for what this thing is. I mean, that was a great value, not too much money. These are going for about $13.99 right now, so not too horrible, but overall, would I buy this again? Absolutely. The case is nice, all the accessories are nice that comes with it, and the quality is really nice. Everything feels really sturdy. Nothing feels flimsy or like it's going to break. So if you're looking for some kind of way to, whether it's at home or at work or wherever in the car, need something to exercise your hands, I'd highly recommend picking this up. Great value, so I hope that helps.